Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Rashi Goel, and in this video, we are going to solve this when a plus 1 over b is equals to b plus 1 over c is equals to c plus 1 over a, and we have to find the value of a, b, c. So let's start with today's video and check the solution. So for the first step, I am going to take two terms at a time. So I'm going to take the first two terms together, that is a plus 1 over b is equals to b plus 1 over c. Next, I'll take first and third term. So a plus 1 over b is equals to c plus 1 over a. Now I'll take second and third term. B plus 1 over c is equals to c plus 1 over a. Now I'm separating this and solving. This and separate this one. Now in the first case, I'll separate the decimals a minus b variable here, and the fraction comes to the other side. Now, if I'll take the LCM, I'll get CB, and I get B minus C. If I'll take CB to other side and A minus B to in the numerator. So I'll take it as equation number 1. I'll repeat the same process in second one. A minus C, and here 1 minus 1 over A minus 1 over B. And I'll take the LCM, that is AB, here B minus A. So AB is equals to B minus A over A minus C. This is our equation number 2. Now, here B minus C is equals to 1 over A minus 1 over C. Now, the LCM is AC. I can write here C minus A. I'll take AC to other side and B minus C to other side. C minus A over B minus C. And this is my equation number 3. Now I'm going to multiply the 3 equations. So multiply equation 1, 2, and 3. So what I get to the left side, CB multiply AB multiply AC is equals to B minus C over A minus B multiply B minus A over A minus C multiply C minus A over B minus C. Now left side, what I get, every term twice, so I can write it as A square B square C square is equals to B minus C over A minus B multiply. If I take minus sign from this, so what it looks like, A minus B, I can write it as over A minus C multiply. Similarly, if I'll take minus common from this also, so A minus C over B minus C. Now, I can see B minus C here, and here I eliminated A minus C from A minus C, A minus B from A minus B. So here what I get, minus 1, I multiply minus 1 in the numerator. On the left side, I can write it as ABC whole square is equals to minus 1 times minus 1. So ABC equals to 1, square is equals to 1, here square goes to other side with the square root. That is under root 1. So I have two values of A, B, C, that is plus 1 and minus 1. That's how you can solve it. I hope it's clear. Thank you so much for watching this video, and please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you.